Good afternoon. My name is Gail Story, and I'm the District Governor of Rotary District 6710. I come to you today saddened by the events that occurred on December 10th and December 11th, 2021. Western Kentucky suffered damages from severe storms and tornadoes that came through our district. 19 counties within our district were affected. Their names surround me. Over 250 miles suffered some type of damage. Some communities suffered damage that they'll be able to recover from relatively quickly. Others have suffered devastating destruction that will take years to rebuild. And there's loss of life. The number keeps growing. I want to thank you for reaching out to me via text, email, phone calls. Rotary families are special, and you're amazing. I appreciate all of the asks, and I come to you today to let you know that the district leadership team met yesterday and decided that the best action that can be taken are donations to Team WKY relieffund.ky.gov. This fund has been established by the state of Kentucky for the relief of each one of these communities. In addition, the district youth services team have gathered. Under the leadership of our interactors, we'll be collecting donations for the youth of the district. We'll need clothing, toys, school supplies, and personal care items. If you're interested in donating for the youth, please contact Caitlin Flowers at kedwards.rotary@gmail.com. My heart is full of gratitude for your efforts, for your ask of what can we do. You see, this is what I know. When our hearts and our minds come together, we serve the world and we make it a better place. And we do that by coming together, because together all things are possible. District 6710 will come back, and we'll come back strong. I thank you for your support.